This video is a supplement to the discussion of mole and molecular weight in lecture 1. Mole is a Latin word and is defined as a pile of any species that contain this number of that species, and as you may know, this is the Avogadro number. So a mole of water has a mass of 18 grams. It means that if I put together this number of molecules of water and then weigh it, this pile is gonna be 18 grams. This is called the molecular weight of water. Therefore, molecular weight of water is 18 and its units is grams per mole. The way we write mole or pound mole is this way. If we write it in the units, we are going to use this spelling for pound mole, this, and kilomole, that spelling. A pound mole is a bigger pile. So if this is 1 mole, a pound mole is a bigger pile, and this pile is 453.6 times this pile. And a kilomole is even bigger pile, 1000 times mole. How many pounds of water is in a pound mole? If I put a pile of pound mole of water together and weigh this is gonna be again 18. However, it's not 18 grams. This time it's gonna be 18 pound mass. Therefore, the molecular weight of water would be 18 pound mass per pound mole. Same number as before, but the units is different because I have a bigger pile. Now, if I put together a kilomole of molecules of water together and weigh this is gonna be 18 kilogram. Again, molecular weight of water would be 18 kilogram per kilomole. So you see that the number for molecular weight is the same, only the units are different because we are talking about different piles. That is why in tables, when you look up the molecular weight, for example, for water, it just gives you 18 without any units, and that's up to you what kind of units you will use depending on the problem you're solving. Now let's go to the exercise given. How many of the following found in 15 kilomole of normal hexane? For that, we have to know the molecular weight of normal hexane. We can look that up in the table, and molecular weight would be 86.17. As we said earlier, we can use 3 different units for this depending on what we want to do. So let's look at question A. I have kilogram of normal hexane, so I'm gonna say 15 kilomole and multiply it by the molecular weight 87.17, and here I use kilogram per kilomole. I'm gonna have 1292.55, and the last sigfig is this because of that 15, therefore 129 kilogram. Next, I want mole, so I have 15 kilomole. I multiply it by 1000 mole per kilomole. That way, I am gonna have 15,000. Last significant digit is this one, mole, for the answer. Next, I have to address pound mole here. I have 15 kilomole, and I use the relationship between pound mole and kilomole. This relationship is the same as the relationship between pound mass and kilogram. So 2.20462 pound mole per kilomole. The answer is 33.1 pound mole.